Alrighty, the Red Eye Rye IPA we brewed back in April. We're going to get a reading of. We sanitized we sanitized the say it, the one-way valve, the airlock, the bubbler. So that's sanitized. We'll pull that out so we don't get back sucked. You know how that is. And we're going to get a sample here and see where we stand on our ABV, I guess you'd say. Well, I like the color already. Fill up this test tube. Best part of this is the taste test. Alright, we'll get a reading on this. We'll let it sit here a minute because we got those bubbles. So we got the keg ready. Hopefully we're going to be kegging it today. Ooh, maybe not. Depends how this finishes. I'll get back to raw taste test on the Red Eye Rye. Came in a lot lower than I thought, or less lower than I thought. 4.2%. Not too much of an IPA on that one, but be a good summer beer here. Oh, you taste that 5 pounds of rye. Yeah, you do. All right, we're going to keg it. Off to the keg. I got the keg over there in the corner. Sanitizing. Should have been cleaned the other day. Should all sanitizing now. So we're going to dump that out. Put the hose on there and keg this. Get her under some CO2 and get it like as Craig Neubauer says, get it in ya. I guess that's a shout out. Don't forget to get your airlock out of there, or you'll get a suck back and you'll put your solution wherever it is into the keg. A lot of guys like to use vodka. And off to the keg we go with the Red Eye Rye. So we'll let that fill up. We'll get it in under CO2 and put her in the kegerator. I got the Red Eye Rye in here. We got the gas. More headspace than I would have thought there. I didn't get a full 5 gallons. Won't let that happen again. Alright, that's gone. That's good. I'll check for leaks. I don't want to waste CO2. And get this in the kegerator. Maybe we're going to force carbonate this one. I'm not sure. And play that by ear too. So I'll take my feed line off. I'm going to wrestle this one into the kegerator once I turn on my... I should have dried the bottom of the keg maybe, but I didn't. There we go, we're gassed up and cooling down. Make sure my other line ain't pinched here. I got the blood orange in here and we're gonna start drinking some of that shortly. How you doing? Why wouldn't I? Alright, we're on the blood orange here. Whether it makes a hill of beans or difference of beans or beans of whatever hill of. Got about a, I don't know, 4 or 5 SRM, 6 or SRM there. So we're going to get a sample on this one, which we already know is good because we use Maris Otter. And I got done telling the wife I hate Maris Otter. Nope. Nope. I guess it's one of the best blood oranges I made. I like it. I think I'll stick with this recipe for quite some time. Alright, my Red Eye Rye, we're going to admit we used way too much rye. Way too much. 5 pounds, way too much. Way too much. So, being that I don't like it that much, here's what I'm going to do. Why wouldn't I? This is what you call Monon's Blackberry Gourmet Syrup. 3 glasses this holds, so I'm going to give it a spoon, another spoon. That's plenty, way plenty. So it's like back sweetening wine in a glass, but this is beer. So we turn the override over rye. I just stirred the living snot out of that. I called it override. Pun intended. Override. Because we put too much rye in this one. We'll draw a big head on that SOB. And those who know me, that usually means superb Oriental beer, but not this time. This is an override. Of course, I spilled it all over the place. Might as well, why wouldn't I? So we added some syrup to it. It changes color, and it makes there's no such thing as a bad beer, just one that don't taste too good. So the 5 pounds of rye, it's so powerful. A little bit of the monin in there, blackberry syrup, and we got ourselves a brand new beer. So we don't have to throw it out after all or give it away. Why would I? I don't want to. Sure as hell don't want to. Hell no. Got 80 degrees out here. 81, 82, I guess. Finally warming up. And what am I going to do? Ay, ay, ay. I'm coming into the air-conditioned brew shop with a beer and probably get into the hot tub. Oh, I just noticed a big issue I got to clean up here.